So this is the go-to bleaching powder and developing combo that I see on YouTube whenever it comes to bleaching. Whenever you look up a bleaching tutorial, these are the main products that you will see. If it's not a 20 volume developer, it's a 30 or 40. Now this is what I have always used ever since high school, and to be honest, I just wanted to try something different and see if I could receive different results from a different bleaching powder cream combo. So I went ahead and I bought this Blonde Brilliance bleaching powder, and there was a 35 developer from the same line. I ran out of the developer, but I use this combo. It comes with coconut oil and mango oil for extra moisture. The mango oil softens and smooths, meanwhile the coconut oil reduces dryness. I'm going to show you guys the results that I received from this, as well as the BW2 and Salon Care combo. Here is a Juicy Hair Affair Raw Indian Curly Bundle. It was bleached with BW2 and 40 volume developer. I believe the bleach sat on this for about an hour, and this is the result that I received. It's very brassy. The curl pattern is still there, but it's just not as light as you would expect your hair to be after sitting for an hour. And it is also pretty dry. And this is a Juicy Hair Affair Raw Indian Curly Bundle. It was bleached using the Blonde Brilliance bleaching powder and cream developer. It was a 35 volume cream developer. This is the result of about 2 20-minute processes. And as you can see, it still has its shine, definitely still has its texture, and it's a lot lighter than the BW2 powder and Salon Care developer combo. Now these are the two results side by side. I really like the Blonde Brilliance results as opposed to the BW2 and Salon Care cream developer. I mean, you could just see for yourself that there's so much more shine in this one. It just looks a lot healthier, and it's a lot lighter. It definitely makes a difference depending on what bleaching creams and developers you decide to use. So I've also noticed that Quick Blue bleach takes a while to process. I've used this bleach before, and it's just too darn slow for me. I've used it maybe once or twice, and I just couldn't get past the brassy color, and I was like, this is taking too long for me, and I was just over it. BW2 just a little too harsh for me, but this has worked amazingly. So I'm definitely fond of this brand's bleaching cream and powder. So here's a raw Indian curly bundle from Juicy Hair Affair. It was bleached twice using the Blonde Brilliance Cream Developer and Powder Lightener. I used a 35 volume developer, and it bleached 2 times. The first time was for 20 minutes. The second time I went in and I bleached the ends for about another 15 to 20 minutes. And then I went in and I shampooed it, went back in and toned it with Wella's T15 toner. And I left that on for maybe about 20-30 minutes. And then I shampooed and conditioned it with Treseme's Moisture Luxurious Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. And I left the conditioner on for a good like 30 minutes. And then I rinsed it out and I put in some coconut oil and a leave-in conditioner. I wanted to show you guys the 613 bundle that I went ahead and I toned using the Wella T15 toner as well. Now 613 will be available on the website soon. It is not available for purchase just yet. Visit juicyhairaffair.com and subscribe to our mailing list. Be the first one to know when this collection drops, okay? Again, this is not the original color. I did tone it using Wella's T15 toner.